Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Business Light, and today I quickly want to show you the very simple, straightforward, secure platform where you can make some amount of money for yourself in 2023. Join FinTouch to make some money, some good money for yourself, because the platform is one of the secure platform that you can use to make some amount of your money for yourself. And believe me, this platform, you don't need huge amount of money to become partner. With $500, $1,000, $200, in fact the minimum package is just $100. And if you join with $100, you can start referring your friends, your family, and you stand to make huge amount of money. Like this video, you can see how I withdrew over $1,000 in FinTouch, and a lot of people out there are as well making use this platform to make good money. Join FinTouch.